In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Instagram Edits app. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I'm going to go to my app store, I'm going to go search on the very bottom, and I'm going to type in Instagram Edits like so. Then I'm going to see Edits Video Editor. It's by Instagram. It's their very new thing. All I want to do is go ahead and install this and then just wait for it to download and install. It's usually very quick, so it depends on your internet. Then just go ahead and open it up and then you can continue with your Instagram account. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do because it syncs up and integrates it very well. Now it's going to say create your first project, keep track of your drafts and finished videos all in one place. So you can pick something, you can record something with your camera or choose something from your gallery, which is what I'll be doing. I'll be choosing a random video. You can select multiple videos as well. It's going to open up a timeline, which kind of looks like CapCut in a way. And from here, there's a lot of different things you can do, like add audio, text, voice, captions, overlay, sound effects. I can even do a cutout if I want to and add a sticker. If I ever want to add music, I just press add audio and there's a giant list of different audio from Instagram that you can go ahead and use. You can go through trending, original, royalty free, and I can even import video and sound as well. And it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.